Hey guys, I wanted to give you a few pointers on how to work on your final project, which is the ABC Math Book by Miss Starling. As you can see, I've already started a slideshow here in Google Slides. In order to locate the assignment, you can go to it in Google Classroom and it's posted on the stream. It should be recent. It was posted May 10th. For certain periods, it's due at different times. Then you go to ABC Book Final Project. Read the instructions carefully on the first two slides. Must provide picture, vocab, word, and definition. So when you click on this, here's what'll pop up. And then for yours, you should be able to go to File, make a copy of the entire presentation, and then you'll put your name. So if your name is Johnny Smith, you'll put Johnny Smith ABC Final Project, okay. Then it will open a new tab for you and it'll copy all of the slides that I have already created. Close this. And then it's got Math ABC Book Final Exam Project. So it says below is the list of requirements for your ABC book. You must create a cover slide that includes a title, your name, and a picture. You must use all letters of the alphabet, 26, and have them in order in this presentation. Each letter should be displayed in large font somewhere on the page that makes it stand out. Each slide must have a background, a word that applies to your grade level of math, and an understandable definition. That means you can understand it and you can reiterate it to me in 7th grade math terms. Each slide must also have an illustration or a picture and an example. Each page should be neat, colorful, and creative. So here's the rubric. It's got all your information. If you click on this, it opens a new tab and it tells you what I'm looking for. Presentation, the bonus points, that's just GIFs, added, animated, pictures, all of that jazz. So the first slide, it says cover slide. Cover slide should have your name. Where's the cover slide? Oh, I guess that's in the rubric. Go back to the rubric. Cover slide. You've gone above and beyond teacher expectations in the creation of your cover slide. It should have a title, student's name, picture, organized, and colorful. So for my cover slide, I want to put Miss Starling. Oh, well, this is Johnny Smith's. Johnny Smith's ABC Math Book Final Project. So I'm going to put that here, and then I'm going to jazz it up, okay? I can create a theme. Where are themes? How do I add a theme for my slideshow? Is it format options? Nope. Animate. Oh, I can make it come in. Ooh, flying from the bottom on click. Sure. How do I change the theme of these slides? Close. Here it goes. Backgrounds. Let's give it a custom background. Woo. Oh, I can change them individually, not independently. Okay, done. This background, I want to be blue. Done. This background, I want to be a picture. And I'm going to search. And since it's A, I'm going to look for, what's the A word? Let's say angles. Okay, that's not going to work. Oh, here we go. Angles. Acute angle. This is what I want to be my background. Choose. That's a picture and it's got the definition. And then I can add my text. Acute angle. An angle with a degree measure that is less than 90. Done. There's my acute angle. And then I'm going to add the word acute. Can I insert word art? Boom, word art. Acute angle. And then I can change the formatting. Oh wait, format, borders. Let's make the border thick. Let's make it red. Acute angle, and then let's rotate it. Boom. Acute angle. That's my first word. Okay. And then also down here, it's got the letter in the notes. Back to this. I think I can make this. Can I make this word art? Oh, I sure can. Johnny Smith's ABC math book. I can change the font. Lobster. I can get rid of this. And then I can go to Google. And then I can search for math gifts. This looks like a cool one. So I'm going to right click it, save image to my downloads. I'm going to call it Math Gift 1. Boom, save. Oh, let me move my picture out of the way. Save. Now when I come to my slide, I'm going to insert image from computer because I've saved it on my computer. And then I'm going to go to Math Gift 1, open, and then it should come up. Let's see if it moves. It's not moving. Why is it not moving? Okay, let's try another one. Is this one a moving one? That one's moving. Is this one a moving one? It is. Maybe I should copy it from here. Save image as. Let's try this again. Oh, the first one saved as a JPEG. This one saved as a GIF. So let's change. Delete. Insert. Is this the JPEG? Let's see if it works. I think that was the JPEG. Okay, let's try the other one. Insert image from computer. Okay. Open. Yay, now it's moving. So now I've got a moving picture. And you saw how quick that was? Miss Starling figured it out in about 2 minutes time. Okay. B. Let's change my background. Let me choose an image. What's a B word? I can't think of a B word. So let me go to Miss Starling's folder. And she said that there is a list of suggested words. So I'm going to click on that in Google Docs. And it's posted on Google Classroom. There's lots of B's here. I'm going to do a box plot. Oh no, budget is a good one. So I'm going to look for money. That's involved with my budget. Let me get some money. Boom. This is going to be my background. And then I'm going to click insert. Done. Money. Now I need to insert a text box. And the word is going to be budget. Oh, Miss Starling, I can't see that. So I need a background. Or I can make it bigger. Let's make it really big. And then let's make it word art. Budget. Budget. Let's get rid of that one. That one's not that visible. Oh, let's make it green because money is green and we like money. Color green. Let's make it a little more of a realistic. Oh, you can't really see that. What if the outline was white? So it'll pop. That's a little better. Anyway, budget, and then word art. A budget is a maximum amount of money that a consumer can spend on their expenses. Let's see if I can make this. I'm going to go to the next line. Use shift enter for multiple lines. Oh, okay. Shift enter. Oh, shift enter. There we go. Now we're going to make this large. Maximum amount of money. Let's fill it up so we can see. What if we'll make it white? Nope. Let's make it another color that'll stand out. Lime green. That's the outline. I wonder if we can put a background on here. Let's insert a square. Boom. And then we'll send it to back order, send backwards. Boom. A maximum amount of money that a consumer can spend on their expenses. Let's make this a different color now that I've got a white background. Let's keep it with the money green and we'll make it darker. There we go, budget. Okay, so those are examples of how we can jazz up our ABC book. Remember, this is for all of the words that we've learned this year. And I think one letter, J, is probably going to be skipped because I can't think of any words that start with a J myself. I did think of quite a few other ones. You're only using one word per letter. You're not doing each one. Gotta clarify that because somebody did ask, are we supposed to do every word that you've listed there? No, you'll be making this book all for the rest of the year. Okay, not the school year, but until June. And that's not what I want. I want 25 slides. Okay, put forth some effort. Let's do one more. Let's do a C. Let's see. Coefficient. Let's see if we can find a GIF for coefficient. Okay, I couldn't find a GIF on coefficient, but I'm going to use this and I'm going to save image as coefficient. Okay, I'm going to save it as coefficient and then I'm going to go back to my page and then I'm going to insert my background, choose image from my drive, browse. Let's see if it's in there. COEFF, there it is, coefficient, open. Done. And then I'm going to add my definition. Coefficient, the number that is attached to and multiplied by the variable. And then I'm going to center it and boom. So that's another way that I could define that word or create a definition on a slide. Good luck. Make sure to go all the way to Z at the bottom and let me know if you have any questions. I hope this video is helpful. Have a great end of the school year.